Ever wondered how objects appear to move on their own? That's the magic of stop motion. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple stop motion effect in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut Mobile app, then tap New Project. Select the video that you want to have the stop motion effect. Once selected, tap the Add button. The video clip will appear in your editing timeline. At the bottom of the screen, tap Effects. After that, tap Video Effects. Browse for the available option, or you can search for stop motion effect. Choose one and tap it to preview your effect. You can also adjust its speed using the slider below. The CapCut will automatically make a layer for effects. Drag the layer to extend the duration of your effects. Once you're happy with your animation, you are done. But before exporting, make sure that you preview your video. And that's how you create a stop motion effect in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching. See you in the next edit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.